So when we talk about modeling simulation, what are the different types of simulation that we can have? We say that there are physical simulation, but in our case we talk always about digital computer simulation, in fact modeling and simulation. So the classification are several. I would like just to point out very quickly the major one. A major one scientific difference is between discrete and continuous simulation. Discrete simulation deals with systems that are made by discrete components, and often they are driven by discrete events that make the time, that is one of the critical aspects in simulation that is usually dynamic, evolve by events. So a very classical example in manufacturing system, you have a machine, the machine starts some operation that could be a milling, still milling, and it will end after, I don't know, so many minutes, okay? This is not necessarily fixed, it could be stochastic, but determine an event. Each single machine, each single component, each single operator, each micro switch, each shift, define events, future event. The system put all the events in the timeline and select the next one. Each time that an event happens, there is a check if other event will have to be generated as consequence of change. Continuous simulation, vice versa, deal with continuous system. And in case we address the problem of time, that is why we mentioned one of the major ones, time is managed continuously. Continuously now in computer means not obviously infinitesimal quantity of time advance, but is reduced so much that it allows us to integrate numerically the equations that regulate our continuous system, often differential equations. So continuous and discrete are two major aspects. There is even hybrid. In the case of hybrid, we use to numerically integrate differential equations between events. In this way, we eliminate all the discontinuity. Normally, continuous simulation is devoted to address problems that we cannot solve analytically, but we have to solve numerically, but we have equations. Discrete event is devoted to problems that are logically driven and even strongly correlated in many factors.